Lubricating an E-type motor. Here we have your 4-hole, 5-hole Midwest nozzle. Note the threads of the nozzle, which will be threaded onto your Handpiece lubricant spray nozzle. Turn the adapter clockwise until it's securely attached. Now, align the tubing of your Handpiece with the holes in the nozzle and spray the lubricant for 1 to 2 seconds. Remove the Handpiece and wipe with a dry cloth to remove any excess lubricant. Connect your Handpiece to your airline and run it for 30 to 45 seconds to ensure the lubricant is reaching all internal components and that any excess is being expelled. Remove your Handpiece from the airline and wipe off any excess lubricant from the Handpiece using a clean, dry cloth. Your Handpiece is now ready to be bagged and sterilized.